Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to learn how to play YouTube in background on Android. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, you can open your YouTube application on your phone and then you can click on the recent button on the bottom of your screen, and then you can swipe your screen, and then you can click on this YouTube icon and then choose open in split screen view. Okay, and then you can choose the split screen app that you want to use along with YouTube. And for example, I'm going to choose Google. And alright, now the screen has been splitted and you can minimize the YouTube screen like this. You can tap and hold on the YouTube screen. And alright, now you can play the YouTube in background. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this video. Alright, and then I can also search on Google like this. Okay guys, that's how we can play YouTube in background on Android, and thanks for watching.